Okay mga momshies, try natin to. Tulaju, and it's a buttercream bread. Right there. So that's how it looks like. Try natin siya. We got it this morning. Ganda ng pagkaano niya. Very neat ang pagkabalot niya. So, I'm betting there's like cream everywhere. In between. Yan, mga cream mo, mga momshies. Nakikita nyo? So, whoa, look at that. So, ayan. Ano lang natin itong part na to. Actually, hindi na kailangan ng ano eh. So, ganyan siya mga momshies. Wow! Try na natin to. Masarap siya momshies. Malambot. So, I guess we don't need the pork. And yung cream niya, hindi sila nagtipid ah. Yung cream niya is not too sweet. Just perfect lang. Masarap to with kape, momshies. So, momshies, this is a thumbs up. Try naman natin itong milk cream bread. Para sa baby ko to, it's a taste of fresh milk talaga siya. Ayan. So, titikman lang natin bago natin bigay sa kanya. So, this is how it looks like. Very, very soft talaga siya. Very soft. Right there. Grabe, sobrang lambot siya. Try lang natin konti kasi sa baby ko to. Very plain siya. Plain lang siya dito, pero I know sa middle, meron siyang cream. May milk siya. Ayan, wow! Masarap siya. It's really good for kids. So, I think my baby's gonna love it. Okay, might be a little sweet for her, but that's her treat already. Okay? So, this one, if you guys pass by Tulaju, kung meron yun sa inyo, milk cream bread, is really good too. Thumbs up.
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe.